Welcome to Nava Disha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down CI pipeline. It's an important idea in DevOps. So, what is CI pipeline? A CI pipeline runs lint, test, build, and security checks on every code commit automatically. It's one of the core ideas in DevOps. Here are the key things to know about CI pipeline. First, stages, lint unit test integration test build scan. Also, artifacts passed between stages. Another key point, parallel execution for speed. On top of that, caching dependencies and Docker layers. Finally, failure blocks merge in protected branches. And that's CI pipeline in simple terms. Come back for another DevOps concept tomorrow.